One of the pieces of safety equipment that we do need when driving on the beach, and it's found not just for the beach, for the dunes, but going into the tall scrub areas, because a lot of these tracks were basically cut through scrub and they were windy, so there was not a lot of vision for oncoming cars. So we do have a sand flag. This is the sand flag. We've already screwed one of the sections together. They're billet aluminium joiners. You just screw them together. Once they're screwed together, then the fitting basically looks like a solid airline fitting, and that's effectively what it is. So that just goes on here and your sand flag's fitted. It's that easy.